You have the floor, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I want to thank the honourable member for asking this question. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry of Agriculture values the contribution of women in this sector, and it is clearly highlighted in our 5-year strategic development plan. Recognizing the women's involvement in the sector, Mr. Speaker, sir, the last census that we undertook, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have a separate volume which deals with where this entire census is undertaken analysis based on gender, Mr. Speaker, so that we can look at how we can have targeted measures to develop and support women farmers, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the gender analysis report provides a platform that identifies vulnerability and exposes hidden trends that can help establish new policies which could be targeted to assist them. Mr. Speaker, the report found that 47% of the households that are engaged in agriculture, they involve women, Mr. Speaker, and 14.4% are in fact women-headed households that are engaged in agriculture. Mr. Speaker, annually we implement for a long period of time. Annually, Ministry supports women in agriculture. There are specific programs that we assist in terms of funding, in terms of provision of small equipment such as VCO, virgin coconut oil, processing small equipment. This year, Mr. Speaker, out of the 9 programs that we announced, 1 program is specifically targeting women where we've got a specific line item allocated. And then under this program, we have assisted 500 women groups with respect to materials that would require for the activity that they're engaged in, whether they're engaged in a small cottage industry, whether they're engaged in nursery, so we provide them with nursery material, or they require farm tools for agriculture. So, Mr. Speaker, overall we're very excited that we now have a line item and a specific allocation and a bumped up allocation. And as economy improves and the budget improves, we will see, and the budget increases, we'll see a parallel and movement in terms of increase in the allocation for women engaged in agriculture. Thank you.